Hey everyone, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 5. What are you heating up now? You're always eating. Hello everyone and welcome to today's vlog. It is December 5th, kind of late. It's almost, well, it's 2 o'clock. It's 1:58. I haven't even taken a lunch break yet. I've just been trying to get as much ahead on work as I possibly can so that I can take my time off and not have to work while I'm off, because what happened last year is that even though I was off, I still had to work every day a little bit. So this time I want to be able to get as much ahead so that there's not going to be any stuff that I am working on that I could have taken care of. So not taking a lunch break today. I've just been snacking on stuff, some oranges. Gonna probably have a bag of protein chips. Sebastian's been eating all morning. What is the new thing in the microwave?
It's sandwiches.
Sandwiches?
Well, it's it's like sandwiches and there's cheese on top of it, and I wanted the cheese to melt a little bit.
Also, I have to address something. I'm wearing the same sweater as I was wearing yesterday. So I'm just gonna put that out there.
Everything we just learned about you is that you're a workaholic. Last year, how much you worked every day, how much you're working right now, no lunch break, wearing the same sweater.
Well, I mean, I'm trying to make a lot of things happen right now.
Oh, that's
it's a very busy time of year.
Excuses of a workaholic.
Yeah, okay. Well, anyways, I'm wearing the same clothes. I will change later. We're gonna, it's actually not too bad out weather-wise, knock on wood. It doesn't look like it's raining right now. We're gonna go to the Christmas tree lot after and pick up our Christmas tree, God willing. And I'm gonna change 100% before that. And
we're picking it, just at this, we're actually picking it up from a church.
We are picking it up from a church. We also need to address Sebastian's hair because it's okay. Do you remember that episode of Friends where Phoebe's like, remember when my hair did that woohooey thing? That's what your hair is doing right now.
What's the woohoo? I can't really see it that well in the camera.
Well, it's doing a woohooey thing.
Oh.
Yeah, we both look like we've not had a lot of sleep.
Speak for yourself. I'm like...
Speak for yourself. I'm beautiful
I look great.
all the time. My Slack is just being lit up right now. I was just checking my messages because it keeps going off and I'm wondering if they're from me or not.
All right.
Also, you're not supposed to microwave a sandwich with cheese on it. That is such a weird thing to do. Oh, should we do our advent calendars?
Okay, you ready?
Are you ready for this? We need to get a scorecard. We need to put the scorecard in here somewhere.
We might not need a scorecard if this is gonna turn out every year.
No, I don't remember who won yesterday. I won yesterday.
No, I mean every year I win.
Well then how come
why do we need a scorecard if it's pretty clear that...
I got 3 so far, you got 1.
Okay, what day are we looking for? Today is the...
5th.
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, go!
Found it!
Oh my god, okay, I found it. So it's wow, you're so quick. What happened? Wow. Unbelievable. 4. What are you having lately that makes you
I don't know, but I'm just more desperate maybe.
Congrats.
Thank you.
I'm proud of you.
I'm proud of me too.
You're finally catching up.
Alright, update. It is 6:10. I just finished working. We're getting ready to head out here soon. I'm gonna try to get a little bit of makeup on, and then I might have to finish editing yesterday's vlog in the car. It might go up really late again. I have to prioritize the tree tonight because this is turning into another Vlogmas Christmas tree disaster. I'm having a snack because I definitely won't have time to make dinner before we leave. I'm having these Quest protein chips in the the spicy sweet chili flavor. It looks like this. These are amazing. They don't even taste like protein chips. They taste like actual chips. Like I actually genuinely enjoy eating these. They have 19 grams of protein and they're super filling because they're so high in protein. So I think I've shared them with you all before, but if you're looking for a really great snack that's high in protein, tastes really good, super filling and gets you by for like a couple hours when you can't eat like me right now, these are a great option. And they have so many different flavors. Okay, so it is 6:53. We are off. I decided I'm gonna wear the Vlogmas uniform. Hopefully that will bring us some good fortune. I can't take any risks. We're gonna go try to grab our tree now. Find our tree. All right, we're here. There's a sign that says ground fir. I can smell them. Okay, so this is all the ground firs. Let's manifest a tall one. A little taller. Smell incredible. Okay, so let's check this one maybe. I don't think we're gonna get like our 10-footer, but you can pull out the big trees.
This one here?
One sec. Yeah, yeah, let's check that one. That one's really full.
Alright, this one.
Whoa! This one looks very full.
I can't move it.
Well, we could put it on the stand and make it look taller.
Yeah, I thought that's what we're doing anyways.
Well, yeah, we can do that, but I was hoping we would not need to, that we would just get a really big tree. Oh yeah, that looks good. Maybe we lucked out because, well no, I don't want to say that, I'm jinxing it, but yesterday with all the rain, maybe no one came to like grab them. You're 6'4", so this is probably, it's probably like 7 feet.
Yeah, I can't even move that one.
We've already found some pretty big ones, which is great. That one's probably like 8 feet with the tip, but like not that full. Yeah, it's almost 8 feet, just short of 8 feet.
Yeah.
Let me just double check the other side though.
Thank you.
There's a really thick one right here too. So do I prioritize girth or height? That is the question. This one also looks very, very full. All right, so what did you learn about the trees?
I finished my research here, and no, so on the other side,
yeah,
and on this side over there,
yeah,
we have 2 trees that are 7.5.
Yeah.
And this one here is almost 7? As tall, a little bit shorter, but it's way bigger.
Fuller, yeah.
This one first, right?
Yes, please, thank you.
Yeah, this one is packed.
It's very full.
This is so heavy.
Whoa. Okay, it's very, very full. Wow.
Yeah,
what do you think?
This one is so full. And
yeah, it's very, very full.
Okay.
Thank you so much for helping us.
Yeah, and I'll open the other one for you guys too.
Oh, you don't have to do that. We were just going to take a look at it. Just as I feel bad you having to like wrap them all back up.
No, it's okay. We actually just leave them unwrapped too, so it's no problem.
Perfect. Yeah, awesome. Thank you.
You want me to move it into like more free areas so that you can see it from like a 360?
Yeah, let's bring it over here. You sure you don't want to put some gloves on?
No, I don't need gloves.
I think this is probably going to be the one though. I think that it must be bigger than last year's because I think last year's was not much taller than me.
I can hardly move this thing.
Yeah, I think it must be bigger than last year's because last year's was not very much taller than me. I don't think. Anyways, maybe it was. I don't remember. I said I think I was being too picky because this one's actually perfect. Let's get it. Wow. Oh my gosh, it's so full. I think I was just like not seeing it in the fullness because it was laying down. This is absolutely crazy. This is definitely the one. Wow, look at that. It's so full and it smells so good. I'm actually in disbelief. I can't believe we got the tree. I think it seemed too easy, so I didn't get that excited initially because I was like, well, there's got to be something wrong with it. It's not going to be tall enough. It's not going to be whatever. So I'm still like trying to process because I've had such a bad time trying to find trees in the last several years that it seems like that happened too easy. And now, honestly, the strange thing is, it was not raining at all and now it is coming down in sheets. How did that even happen? I can't believe the rain right now. I'm sorry, I'm so shocked that it's actually a torrential downpour. It was supposed to be light rain today.
Perfect timing, we just attached
We just attached the tree and now it's suddenly coming down, cats and dogs. So yeah, I'm just sitting here editing yesterday's vlog. Hopefully I'll get this done really quickly so we can post it. And then we will have posted for day 4 and let's see if we can manage to do day 5. Okay, so it is much later. We got the tree home. When we were driving back, I was like, Sebastian, how much flock do we have left from last year? What was the answer?
None.
None. Flock is something I ordered to my US mailbox because it takes a while for shipping, and I was like, no.
And I was like, I hope it's gonna take until like 2024.
And I was like, oh my god, how did I not prepare for this? I usually always make sure I have flock.
It's weird that I didn't remind you.
I was looking all over the internet to figure out how I could get flock here as soon as possible. My first course of action is always to go to Amazon, so what I did is I ordered flock to my US mailbox, which pushes out the timeline quite significantly. But I ended up finding flock in Vancouver at a website called Hollywood North. Vancouver is like one of the most popular locations to film movies or TV shows, lots of TV shows. And pretty much every Hallmark movie you see is filmed somewhere around the greater Vancouver area. So we have a lot of companies here that specialize in catering to filming. And this company, they sell all kinds of props, but also any of the stuff that you need, like artificial stuff you need to make something look like, for instance, like it's Christmas. So they sell flock. Smallest bag they carry is 25 pounds, and the 25-pound bag costs less than what I paid for a 5-pound bag. It's about only like a 15-minute drive from where we live, which is amazing. So that's gonna be awesome. If we can go pick it up tomorrow, then I'll just cancel the Amazon one, but I'm not gonna cancel it just in case. Anyways, I'm very, very excited. They have a machine that you can flock with. So it makes sense because if you're like a film studio and you're trying to like get a lot of trees.
If you've ever watched a Hallmark movie, most of them, when you can see it when you look at the lighting, they're filmed in the summertime.
Yeah.
And all of the snow is fake snow.
Yeah, so they have machines that you can run to flock your trees. I don't know how big they are, but if they're not too big and not too intrusive, that will take off so much time just getting the tree flocked. I've seen them do it in other videos. It's like I think it's like a gun, and it just like sprays the flock.
Oh, really?
And it's so much thicker. The way that it distributes the snow is so much thicker. It looks more like when you get an artificial tree with like that really thick, dense flock, which is what I'm always going for. And I like usually make Sebastian do 16 layers of the like dusting to make it look like that. But that would be incredible, and it takes like 5 minutes to do an entire tree.
Wow, I'm gonna buy one of those. Yeah. Like seriously, I'm not gonna rent it. I'm gonna be like, what's the best version?
Yeah.
Any price. Take my money. Yeah.
Anyways, for dinner, it's super late. We're gonna make something that we've made before, but a different recipe. We're running out of time, and I'm at the place now with Vlogmas where I'm so far behind on like editing, and we only have like really this small window after work to get the vlogs done. So we're falling behind. But at the same time, my competitive spirit is like, you have to keep posting. Post a vlog a day until Christmas. So yeah, we're making General Tso's chicken, which we made before, and it was delicious. So we've made recipes similar to this before, but we've never had this specific one. I just needed something quick. How is it? Good?
Mm-hmm. It's really good.
Also, we didn't have chicken thigh.
How do you think it turned out?
It's really good. Chicken thigh is obviously more flavorful. Oh, we don't have green onion either. That would have made it way better, but it was so fast. This was like a 20-minute meal.
So good, so quick.
Cooking chicken in the cornstarch, it like gives it this nice kind of like crust. It's almost like fried chicken, but not quite. So it's like a little bit healthier, but still tastes really good.
I really like the ginger in here.
The ginger that you were complaining about, it's very fresh tasting. That was a hack I learned this year. Oh, you put love heart on in the background. So you can freeze ginger and use it whenever. I would buy ginger for one recipe, use like the tiniest amount, and then the rest of the ginger would go bad in the fridge. And then I read you can freeze the whole ginger. You don't even have to like press it, then just use it when you need it.
Wow.
Which was so handy. It tastes 100% like it's fresh. So I really have to catch up on comments, but I also have to catch up on description boxes. I've been pretty good to date. I've just missed, I think, 2 of them. So I have to go back and update those, but I promise I will go update all the descriptions with all the recipes, the tweaks that I made. I want to make sure that I'm giving you the content and the information you're looking for. And then if you want to try this out, you can give it a shot. But definitely use chicken thighs. We didn't have them. Still really good with chicken breasts if you want to have like a healthier version. But I think chicken thighs, if you're gonna, you know, want the flavor, is the right move.
Way better.
Yeah. All right, so we're gonna eat dinner and watch our movie for a little bit before bed. Okay, so coming on to end the vlog, but so happy that we got our tree. I'm still kind of in disbelief that we managed to find one that was actually so like large, but also so full. This was unexpected. The last several years that we've gone to that specific tree lot has been a little bit underwhelming with the selection. So, and also we've had like horrible forest fires. I didn't even think about that. And so the fact that this tree is just like so perfect.
It's unreal. I felt like the whole thing was kind of like the opposite of our previous experience. Usually we needed to spend so much time going to different lots, spend so much time at the lots.
Also driving like 45 minutes to go to Christmas tree farms.
Yeah, rent U-Haul and like all that kind of stuff. And this time we just went, found the perfect tree right away. Weren't really sure is this a perfect tree, and then we looked at the other ones and we're like, yeah, it is. And even the guy at the lot said this is the most beautiful tree he's seen.
Ever seen. He said ever seen. I was like,
but
I'm like, are you just being nice? I mean, it is an incredibly beautiful
it's so
tree.
Beautiful. Yeah, it felt like unreal. And then all of a sudden we were on the way back home with the tree on the car and we're like, what, did this just happen?
So beautiful that I'm just so grateful for that. I'm not gonna have to do any tree surgery this year, which is amazing. The last several years I've had to do like my twist tie or zip tie
somewhere in the tree, and we had to stuff them with other branches.
Yeah. So anyways, we're ending the vlog. Did I already mention it's the next day? Did I say that's the next day? So yeah, it's the next day if you can't tell. I don't remember if I've already said that. But this clip is actually getting added just before the video goes up. I realized that we didn't end up finishing the vlog last night after we finished dinner. 4 more days left of work where there's going to be these kind of like thinner vlogs, less content heavy vlogs. But after that, we are gonna have like the whole day for like, how many days is that? The 13th to the 13th, that's 12, that's 2 weeks. So we have 2 weeks of full days that we can do Christmassy, fun, festive stuff. I'm really looking forward to the time off. And I'm going to try to keep posting up until we take time off if I can. If I have to like take a break because I'm burning out, then I will. But so far I'm keeping the streak alive and I'm so happy. Last year we only made it to day 4. This year it's day 5. Wow. Let's hope that we can get to day 6. Just take it one day at a time. Anyways, I hope you all enjoyed today's vlog. Thank you all so much for watching, and we will see you all in the next one. Bye.
Bye.
Merry Christmas.